All right, we are showing you visuals of Robert Vadra as he's arriving at the ED court. Let's tell our viewers that even as we are speaking, we have gone to those visuals that are coming in. Robert Vadra has made
serious allegations against you. You are here at ED office.
So there are allegations against
you can also see that Priyanka Gandhi is
trying to show you those visuals. Questions being asked to him, and even as he's coming in, Vadra is going to be here. He's already present here. We're trying to ask him questions. Very crucial. Vadra is already present at the ED zonal office. His car has reached here. Questions are being asked to him.
sitting here, and my video journalist is showing you the visuals of Robert Vadra and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who have now reached here at ED office, and you can see that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is also sitting right next to Robert Vadra. Today in the morning we also saw visuals of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Robert Vadra right outside the AICC headquarters. And now, if we are speaking, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Robert Vadra, they have now reached here at ED office. Remember, they were supposed to reach here at 4 p.m. and these are the visuals of Robert Vadra along with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Mr. Vadra, there are serious allegations against you. Mr. Vadra, there are serious allegations against you. What do you have to say? Mr. Vadra, there are serious allegations against you. Sir, Mr. Vadra. Mr. Vadra, there are serious allegations against you. What do you have to say?
As we are speaking,
So these are the live visuals which we are showing to our viewers of Robert Vadra.
All right, let's tell our viewers, Priyanka Vadra as well as Robert Vadra arrive at the ED at the Enforcement Directorate zonal office. Their car is going to be standing here and
now my video journalist Hitesh is also showing you the visuals from
Vadra and Priyanka Vadra made their appearance right here. There's commotion and chaos around us. They are waiting for their car to be taken inside the ED office. And as we are speaking, viewers, live visuals on your screen of the duo who arrived here. Big political statement. All right, he's getting out as the car cannot go in. Robert Vadra moving out of his car. His lawyers have moved out as of now. We're going to be getting a sense of whether Robert Vadra is also going to be moving out here or expecting VIP treatment by his car going inside the ED zonal office. Money laundering case against his key aide, Manoj Arora. The ED is now going to be assisting, is going to be getting his assistance. So crucial today. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra also present here at the court. They are waiting as of now for us to just. All right, already Priyanka Vadra and Robert Vadra have already gone inside the ED zonal office. We are getting you live shots of that from our camera person Anil. Very crucial that he makes his appearance here. The car is leaving now. The actual probe in the money laundering Manoj Arora case now begins. So crucial that this is happening now, that already Manoj Arora key aide has been probed outside us. We continue showing you the live visuals of the commotion that happened, viewers. But finally we can say that Robert Vadra is being questioned in the money laundering case of his key aide Manoj Arora right here at the ED zonal office. Remember, we broke the first visuals. It confirms our news break of last year. We've also been the first channel to get you key aides, visuals and questions to them. Today becomes crucial as Robert Vadra and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra walk in together to show solidarity possibly. Is it Priyanka Gandhi continues to be in the car? I beg your pardon. So let's see whether we shall hear any words from her as our camera person tries to show you visuals of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra in the car. Madam, can you please answer our questions? What's the real deal about the money laundering case against your key aide Manoj Arora? Can we please have some answers about the role of your key aide Manoj Arora, ma'am?
Priyanka.
Question. Ma'am, can we have some answers about the key aide of Robert Vadra, Manoj Arora's money laundering case? As we've seen, viewers, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra leaves the office of the Enforcement Directorate. She's left the office and Robert Vadra has gone inside as the court has directed him to be assisting the Enforcement Directorate in the money laundering case against Kied Manoj Arora. Let's tell our viewers what's at stake for Robert Vadra. This is not only about the 12 Bryanston Square property, but this is also about other property deals that have been purchased in United Kingdom. It's also about a petroleum deal of 2009, so crucial that through these gates, Sakal, Robert Vadra walked in a few minutes ago to be probed by 4 senior officials of the Enforcement Directorate.